Why is it so dark here? Fluorescent lighting. Oh, very high make current. Perhaps that is why. I may have a remedy. Let's use RPI, 1ZI, U24A here. A new installation relay which stands the maximum make of current of 120 amperes at the time of 20 milliseconds. That should work. Now, another task. A similar situation but with LED lighting. We're fixing RPI, starting it. And now, a little time to relax. The relay is used for fluorescent, LED and halogen lamps, as it is here. Remember, RPI is a new installation relay which stands the maximum make current of 120 amperes at the time of 20 milliseconds. The relay is dedicated to switch on circuits of high inrush current to lighting circuits in particular.